Okay, so I have this swarm of bees that we captured on this branch here, and we have them in a 5-gallon bucket and a paint strainer, and I am now going to hive them. So first I'm going to take off the paint strainer here. So there's some on this paint strainer, so I'm going to shake them into the hive. Just leave this right here. And now I'm going to take this branch, and somewhere in here is the queen, and hopefully she will go right down into the hive here. Check this out. This is just really awesome. Put this down on the hive here. The notes here in the bucket. They appear to be making a happy noise to have a hive. They were on this branch. They're now on the bars. I'm just going to shake them again one more time. We really want them to be happy with the hive and to mark the hive. With the come hither pheromone. The Nasonov pheromone. Hopefully the queen is in there somewhere. I don't see her on the branch. So I really don't want to leave this branch in there because it smells like the queen. So I'm going to really try to shake the rest of the bees off here. They're signaling a little bit, not as much as I would like. They are signaling at the entrance of the hive, which is good. You can see that Nasonov pheromone that they're doing. They're telling all the other bees to come here. This is their home. This is where they want to live. That's a good sign. The ones over here are especially doing it. We'd like to see more of them doing it, marking this hive like that. And then I'm going to put the frames back in. Some empty frames with a little bit of comb on it that I'm going to stick in here for the bees to build out. I'm just going in gently so I don't smush any bees here. I want to have the correct bee space, so I'm going to move these over with my hive tool. There's about 5 drawn comb, and the rest of these are undrawn so they can fill them out. You can see the Nasonov pheromone there. They're telling everyone, all the bees, to come here, come hither. This is our new home. You see it again right here. And that's how you install a swarm.